All right, hello YouTube family. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. We're here at the Dollar's General Store, and I'm going inside and pick up some snacks, a couple of dinners, and some beverages. What's up? All right. All right, fam, what we're about to do is we're going back home and we're going to take on a 20-hour project. Mama and my daughter off in Houston at a graduation, and she got a project that she wants done, and I'm going to try to surprise her and get it done in the 20 hours that she will be in Houston. And it is a pretty big project, and it's going to take me the entire 20 hours. So we're gonna lock ourselves in and get it done. So with that being said, we'll pick up a few things and I will see y'all back at the house. All right, family. We have made it home. And we're gonna go upstairs. I have 2 employees that are gonna help me with this 20-hour project. This is employee #1. I think y'all all have met my 2 employees before. So we're gonna go ahead and get employee #1 situated. And then I'm gonna take y'all upstairs and introduce you or reintroduce you to employee #2. All right, YouTube fam. And let me reintroduce you to employee #2. One of my favorite tools, the Hot Logic. Now, let me tell y'all a little bit about what's going on. Got my refrigerator under here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my drinks and start them to getting cold for the weekend. I got a couple of waters in here. Leftover Dr. Pepper. Go ahead and get these in, and I'll be telling y'all what's going on while I'm loading these sodas. All right, like I told y'all, I have about 20 hours. My wife and my daughter are headed to Houston to a graduation. And this house is about 40 years old. And y'all can see that old ugly wallpaper all over the bathroom. And this is a 2-room bathroom. We have the facilities in here. Shower. A floor-to-ceiling cabinet, a short behind the toilet cabinet here, and that ugly freaking wallpaper. So I promised my wife along the way I would remove this wallpaper or paint over it. So I did a test, and I can paint over that wallpaper. So here's the deal. I am going to lock myself in this area. The upstairs bedroom, bathroom. And if I finish with the bathroom, both rooms, I'm going to head out into the bedroom and try to paint it as well. I have 1 gallon of paint, and I can go get more paint if need be. But I think it's going to take me the entire 20 hours, day and night. So in order not to leave this room, I recruited my 2 employees. That chair that y'all are familiar with from a previous video, and the Hot Logic. I'm gonna take the 2 meals that I bought. I bought the double meat bowl, Angus meatloaf, and I bought fish sticks. And I bought a few snacks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock ourselves in. I'm gonna put those 2 meals in the Hot Logic. And from what I told, I've never done the ready-to-cook meal, the microwavable meals in the Hot Logic. But my coworker who introduced me to the Hot Logic said it works great. So I'm gonna put my sodas in, get them cool, put my food in the Hot Logic, and I am going to lock myself in up here for 20 hours. The only reason I have to go downstairs is in case of emergency and to take Fitzgerald out for a walk. And I'll probably take him out this afternoon for a walk in the park for about a half hour. But for the most part, until this project is done, your boy is going to lock himself in there upstairs and paint this entire room. Possibly the bedroom as well. And that, the Hot Logic. And that's why I love that thing. That's why I don't know why more people aren't familiar with it. That is a go-to tool. That tool at 165 degrees is going to heat my fish fillets up where they're safe to eat, where they're good to eat, where they're at temperature. It's going to do the same thing for the meatloaf. It may take a couple of hours to get there, but once they get there, they're going to hold, and I will be able to eat. And I have my bathroom facilities already up here. That's my bedroom there. So I can lock myself in. Other than, like I said, taking care of Fitzgerald, I will be here for the entirety of the weekend. And y'all will be along for the ride. And y'all going to see how the Hot Logic comes in and going to take care of me. So people who are in construction and people who are on a work site, the job site, at the desk, at the office, wherever, the Hot Logic. That's the way to go. All right, family. I'll be tuning back in from time to time to give y'all updates and how things are going. But for now, I'm going to go downstairs, get my television. I'll get set up so I can watch some YouTube. I can listen to some music, put on some clothes that I don't care about getting paint on. Because this right here, this attire right here, we don't want to get nothing on this beautiful freaking wardrobe I got on right here. All right, fam. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I'll be giving you updates from time to time, letting you know how the Hot Logic is doing, how we're doing with the paint job, and how things are going. All right, fam, we'll be back. All right, fam. We're all set up. I got my YouTube going. Got my chair. Got my ladder. Paint. We're going to go up and we're going to tape some of these borders. Tape up whatever needs to be taped up, and we're going to start painting. All right, but before we go any further, I have a concern. All right, fam. Check out this outfit. Is YouTube, are they going to censor me for too much sexy? This is my painting outfit. I was skeptical about putting it on because I'm like, I know people get censored all the time for too much sexy. So y'all let me know in the comment section below. Rosie, you're going to get censored, baby. Too sexy. Way too sexy. All right, fam. I'm going to go ahead and get that tape. We're going to get started. And like I said, it's about 2:30 right now. At about 4:30, it'll be about time to take Fitzgerald outside, feed him, and get going. So I'll give y'all an update in a couple of hours. All right. All right, fam. I've been at this for about 2 hours. And you can see the food is cooking nicely. You can see the cloudiness in both those different containers. And, oh yeah, you can feel they're getting hot. Real hot. And the fish stick should be done shortly. That's going to take a little bit longer, the meatloaf. But everything is coming along nicely, y'all. Like I said, I love this freaking Hot Logic. I can't get enough of talking about it. I can't get enough of using it. Matter of fact, last week, I had jury duty along with my son-in-law. We both got called for jury duty. And while I was in jury duty, I got dismissed. But while I was at jury duty, I actually had stuff cooking in the back of the Jeep in the Hot Logic. So when they gave me a break or they dismissed me, I would be able to eat. And without having to go to a store and spend money and practice my social distancing. All right, fam. This is where we are. We got most of the walls done. I got to get the walls over the tub. But it's coming along nice. Let me see, can I give y'all a better view? I know that looks kind of plain. It's just a plain beige. But I had to do something to get those freaking flowers off the wall that have been there for years. I think once I put the second coat, I got to get up here and I got to get here. But once we get the second coat, I think this thing is going to look good. Now for my, we just talked about the Hot Logic. Now for my second assistant, the old adjustable stool, I found another use for this thing. When I'm taping up low, when I'm taping down low, let me make sure I got y'all in. When I'm taping down low, a good way for me, a fat guy like myself, to support myself is to lay across this thing while I am taping. Now remember, this thing is adjustable. So if I'm too high, I can bring it down and boom. I can lay across it like so. That's a little too low. Come up a couple. Boom. Now, that's perfect. Now I can lay across this thing and continue my taping. So those are my two assistants for this 20-hour journey that I'm on. And to be honest with y'all, if I can keep the pace I got going, it won't take me to 20 hours. And I can get this done. And I just remembered, I think my grandson has a baseball game this afternoon. And if he does, I am going to take a break and go to the baseball game. But I just want to give y'all a quick update on where we are with the Hot Logic, and with the adjustable stool, and with the painting of this outdated bathroom. And I just wanted to show y'all that I use all the tools that I purchased on this channel. I'm not sponsored by anyone as of yet. Hopefully we can get that going one day. But I use every tool that I have on this channel. The stool, the Hot Logic, the George Foreman, the Big Easy, you name it, I use it. All right, family, that's a quick update. We're gonna go ahead and give it about another hour. We're gonna go downstairs. Yep, another hour, hour and a half. Be time to take Fitzgerald outside, get him fed, get him walked, and get him situated. Then I'll find out from my son-in-law whether my grandson has a game tonight. All right, fam, y'all take care. Y'all stay, y'all hang in there. We'll be back in about an hour and a half, but for y'all, it'll be a few seconds. Peace. All right, fam. First coat is complete. We did the whole thing, the whole bathroom. Now, my wife, and y'all will be my witness, she said, Roselle, you aren't gonna do it right, you're gonna take shortcuts. I bought the floor covering cloth, just made for painting. I taped the floor, I taped the corners, I taped off everything. So when she sees this video, y'all are my witnesses, I did it as right as I could. Y'all know me, I'm lazy. I try to find cheap and easy ways out, but there really is no easy way with painting. All right, but that's not what this video is about. I just wanted to update y'all. What this video is about is the adjustable stool and the Hot Logic. And guess what, fam? The Hot Logic has done her job. I say her, his, her. From what I'm hearing now, we're gender neutral, so it doesn't matter. All right, fam, the fit sticks are ready. And actually, so is the meatloaf. Let's go ahead and uncover that. The fit sticks are ready. Meatloaf is ready. But we're gonna leave that for our next meal. So we're gonna go ahead and put some pepper on our meatloaf and put some, man, if y'all never had this, sriracha mayo, and I like my food hot, and some wasabi sauce. And as y'all know, American wasabi sauce is not wasabi sauce, it's really just hot mustard. But nevertheless, matter of fact, let's go ahead and, if I open this sriracha, yeah. Let's go ahead and put that on. Then we'll put the pepper on. So it'll stick. Just a smidgen of, ooh, that's enough for all three. All right, fam. How y'all like that color profile? Check that out. If y'all can see it in the camera. Green and orange. This is gonna be delicious. All right, fam. Like I said, when I started this video, some 3.5 hours ago. We're gonna hang in there for as long as we can and get that bathroom painted. We got the first coat done, everything's taped up. We're gonna go ahead and do the second coat. But the Hot Logic and this adjustable stool, my two employees, they've done a fine job. I didn't work them too hard. They earned their money though. So, as usual, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumb down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. All right, family, it's your boy Rosie. Y'all take care. Have a great day, a great week, and a great rest of this 2021. Peace.
You changed the color.
I ain't done yet. Well, I've done in there. That's what Quentin came over to help me with last night. So what do you think?